Next, we have the next slide, which is the quadrilateral. Okay, we have this illustration. If you're going to count the sides, we have 4 sides in quadrilateral. And number of triangles formed, we have 2. To find the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral, we will going to use the formula, the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Again, where n is the number of sides. So, the number of sides of quadrilateral is 4. Therefore, we're going to substitute 4, which is, we have now 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 4 minus 2 is 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So this is now the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral.